So we are gonna start by combining 1.5 ounces of Empress Gin. Then we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of creme de violette, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 1/4 ounce of heavy cream. Watch what happens when we add the cream. So now I am going to add some ice, shake it up, double strain into a cocktail glass. Top it with some whipping cream. We're gonna garnish it with a flower. I'm always looking for a new way to use Empress Gin because it's just so dang good. This simple cocktail is no exception. Here we go. Oh, yum. The Violet Blue Empress is Queen Bee approved.